Hi everyone, welcome to the Print Hello channel. Today we are going to solve very interesting Leetcode question. The question is majority element. We have a list as an input and we have to find out which element appears more than the half of list size. Like we as in example 1, we have a list which contain 3, 2, 3 value. So we can clearly see 3 is appearing more than the half of list size. So that's why we are returning 3 here. And in if we take second example, then in second example the size of this list is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and the half of size is 3, which element and 2 is appearing 4 times and 1 is appearing 3 times, so that is why 2 is the result. 2 is appearing more than 3 times. So this is the array as an input, and first we will sort this array, and after sorting we will see 2 3 3 as result. Okay, after sorting we can observe one thing. 3 is appearing at the center of the array, right? Just because it is appearing half more than half of its size of the array. So we have two step solution here. First, sort the array, and second, return the middle element, right? Now we can say it will take n log n time complexity. N log n for because we are using sorting here, that is why. Yeah, so now we will code the solution. First we will sort the array. After sorting we will just simply return nums of len of middle element, right? uh, Nums, I think it will work. uh, let's run this code. Okay, and now we will submit this code. Yeah, it is working fine. So see, so now we will solve this question optimally. So now we are using voting Murray algorithm. It is very famous algorithm in DS. So first we are defining two variable, first result and second is count. Okay, and initially it is initialized by 0. Okay, and we are iterating a loop over on this. We are iterating a loop on this list here. So first I is here. Okay, and ith element is 2. If result value is 0, then it then 2 become the result, and its count value is 1. Okay, now I increases by 1, and now we will see uh, I value is I element value is 2. So I value is 2, and the result is already 2. So if this thing is happen, then count value get increases. So we will see now I value get increases by 1, and we will see 1 is here. So in this, because of result and I element value is different, in this scenario we will decrease count by 1. So we will have 1, count value is 1. So I value increases by 1, and we will see I element value is 1, result value is 2. So in this scenario, because of it, it is both value different, so we will decrease by 1. So now it become, now count value is 0. Okay. Now count I value get increases by 1. So I value is 1 here as well. So because of result and 1 is different, but count value is 0. So in this scenario, what we will do, we will make result, we will change the value of result by 1, because see, now result 1 became the result, and it, and change the frequency as well. Now its frequency is 1, count value is 1. Okay. Now I get increases again, and we will see I element value is 2, but result value is 1. So because both value is different, both value are different, so count gets decreases by 1, and it, now it became 0. I, now I get increases by 1, and we will see 2 is here, but 1 result is 1, but count value is 0. So in this scenario, the 2 became the result, and count value became 1, because now we don't have any element here. So that is why we will return the result. And if we see 2 is appearing 4 times, which is more than half of the array's size, that is why 2 is majority element. Now we will code this solution as well. So we will, as I discussed, we will create two variable, count, and second is result. Okay. For I in range len of nums, simple, if count 0, then result is nums of I, and else if nums of I nums of I equal to result, it happen, then count plus y1, otherwise count, and if the repeat after the repetition, after the iteration, we will simply return the element, return result. Resolve now. Yeah. So let, yeah, now it is working fine. if we talk about the complexity, time complexity, then we can easily say it will take we go of and yeah.